heart of Gaza, a land ravaged by relentless war and a blockade that has lasted for decades, there exists a fragile threat for survival. That threat is UNRWA. For more than 70 years, the United Nations agency has been the guardian of the most basic human rights for millions of Palestinian refugees. And since the onset of Israel's devastating war on Gaza, UNRWA has been at the center of the humanitarian relief effort, mobilizing its limited resources to address the urgent needs of Palestinians.
We're sitting in a health center right now. This is one of only 3 remaining UNRWA health centers left in the Gaza Strip, of 22. Everything else has been destroyed, but what UNRWA has been able to do is find other facilities, work with the community, and continue to provide much-needed healthcare.
Even in the middle of the shelling and bombings, UNRWA's mission goes on. Malnutrition among children here has nearly doubled, while vital medical aid remains stuck at Gaza's closed borders. Yet, UNRWA is fighting to maintain its presence. Israeli soldiers have killed or injured dozens of UN staff, including UNRWA workers, as they risked their lives to provide essential services like healthcare, education, and food to Gaza's most vulnerable. But now, the very existence of this vital agency is at risk. The Israeli parliament has voted to ban UNRWA from operating inside Israel and in the occupied territories, leaving millions of Palestinians at an even more dangerous situation.
UNRWA as a structure in the lives of Palestine refugees is irreplaceable. Having said that, if UNRWA were forced to shut down its schools, health centers, and all its services tomorrow, Palestine refugees remain Palestine refugees. This is a legal status. They will not lose it. And it's a status that is subject to political negotiations that will put an end to the status of refugees.
As international debates linger about aid corridors, Gaza's sick, injured and malnourished children need urgent assistance.
Even as the number of malnutrition cases among children skyrockets and medical aid remains stuck at the border, UNRWA workers refuse to abandon their mission. But the agency is battling more than just Israel's war. It's also facing funding shortages and growing efforts to undermine its very presence. Tariq Abazoum, Al Jazeera, Dar al-Balah, Palestine.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.